Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on with the P0169 code? That means the fuel composition sensor has detected an incorrect fuel type. This can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even potential engine damage. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0169 means, where to find the affected sensor and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because this could save you from costly repairs. The P0169 Trouble Code indicates that the fuel composition sensor has detected an incorrect or contaminated fuel mixture. This sensor is critical for vehicles designed to run on flex fuel like E85 and gasoline blends. If the fuel quality isn't right, the ECU may struggle to adjust the air-fuel ratio properly, causing performance issues. Check engine light on, poor engine performance or hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, rough idle or hard starting. Contaminated or incorrect fuel. Using low-quality fuel or the wrong fuel type can trigger this code. Faulty fuel composition sensor. A malfunctioning sensor may send incorrect signals to the ECU. Wiring or connector issues. Loose or damaged wires can affect the sensor's accuracy. Fuel system problems. Issues like a failing fuel pump or clogged injectors can contribute to fuel mixture inconsistencies. The fuel composition sensor is typically located along the fuel line between the fuel tank and the engine. In many vehicles, it's mounted near the fuel filter or fuel rail. Flex fuel vehicles often have this sensor integrated with the fuel pump assembly. The sensor is connected to the ECU via a wiring harness. Check for loose or corroded connectors that could cause inaccurate readings. A poor ground connection can also trigger the P0169 code. Check the fuel quality. If you recently refueled, ensure you used the correct fuel type. Drain and replace contaminated fuel if necessary. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, disconnected, or corroded wires. Repair or replace any damaged wiring. Test the fuel composition sensor. Use an OBD2 scanner to check live data from the sensor. Compare readings with manufacturer specifications. Replace the fuel composition sensor if needed. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0169 code. Drive for a few miles to ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P0169 and keep your car running efficiently. Fixing this issue will restore proper fuel mixture and engine performance. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also check out these related videos, P0091, Fuel Pressure Regulator Control Circuit Low, and P0092, Fuel Pressure Regulator Control Circuit High. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.